Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and welcome to another 30-second card in maybe 5 minutes, sometimes 6, sometimes 4. You never know. In fact, I never know. Ken never knows. Nobody knows until we're done. So that's kind of exciting. Now, we started this episode or this segment series, a 30-second card in 5 minutes. 12 years ago. We've been in business now 12 years. If you've never seen one of these, you need to go back and watch the first one. Every once in a while when I need to pick me up, I actually go watch it because it's really funny. So it's available on our website. It's just kind of funny. But the important thing is this is a video showing you that when you need to beat the mailman to your mailbox and you need to mail something, this is how you make a fast card. And don't worry about it being perfect. Don't worry about it being a work of art. Just get that card in the mail so it gets to the person it needs to get to, right? So sometimes we just need a quick card. So that's what this is. This is a quick card in we don't know how much time. Okay. We recently released on our website the Bat Slimline die. Fold it. So that is what I'm going to use on my card, for my card. I grabbed a couple things that I thought I would need. I grabbed some cardstock. Pretty much I grabbed some cardstock. I grabbed some epoxy dots. That's all I have out. So who knows what I'm going to need. But, you know, it's all in fun and we just have a great time. So Ken, my husband, is over here. He's going to start the timer as soon as I say start. I always like to take a deep breath. I like to think for half a second what I'm going to do. Okay, Kenny, on your marks. Get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first I'm going to fold this, and I got to make sure I fold this the right way. Because this is a slimline fold it, I need to fold it long ways. Now the nice thing about the slimline fold its is they will fit in a standard machine. So you don't have to have a bigger machine, even though it's a slimline. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to lay this down, and oh, here's some washi. I'm going to grab some washi real quick, because I need to make sure this goes through my machine good. And I'm just gonna lay this down, and I'm gonna grab my Gemini machine stuff and enter that into the, oh yeah, it's good, it's good. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Okay, catch. Now, I need to die cut the body itself. So we'll lay that down. And I'm also going to need a little mouth. So let's do a red mouth. Okay, so we're getting this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, one nice thing about the Gemini is you can work while you're die cutting. Okay, so now I have my card base, and we're just going to do this for real quick because I need another one of these. So I'm going to lay that down. I need another one of these, and I also, hang on, I'm going to try to die cut everything at once now. I need one of these. I'm going to lay that down also, fit that in there, and we're gonna go crazy and try to add this in there as well. So let's see how far we get, because the faster we do this, the faster we get done. We're gonna lay all of this down, run this through the machine, kind of crazy, huh? We're gonna run that through the machine. Look at that, I gotta thread all that in there. Oh, my mouth just moved. Get in there. Okay, there we go, there we go. We're good, we're good, we're good. Look at this. Success. Oh, didn't use all my cutting pads, so that's not gonna go do anything. Crud, 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 crud. Crud, crud, crud. That is not going to do anything. We need to use all of our own. And then my mouth just kept moving. Hang on. Hang on. We're going to try that again, because you know what? Rule number 1 on die cutting is you have to use the right sandwich. And Stephanie just learned that once again. So we're going to lay all of that down. Grab the correct sandwich. And now we're going to run it all through. Oh my goodness gracious. Of course that happens on one of these videos, right? And not a normal video. Okay, there we go. My poor Gemini, it's going, what are you doing to us? There we go. Okay, now I think I have everything I'm gonna need. Oh, let's peel off this extra washi. There we go. And come on, come on. And oh gosh, I don't know if that cut all the way because I think I was being crazy. See what happens when you try to go fast. Okay, we're gonna do this real quick. I had it off a little tiny bit so it didn't go through. Let's grab this. Okay. The nice thing is that you can use either machine and you don't need a small one, so that's good. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna grab this guy, grab this, get that off there, and get off there, and then you make some room here. Get this, I got that, got my mouth, good, good. Lay that down, get this, okay. Clean this place out. Okay, so I'm gonna add adhesive to this because I'm just gonna add this so I have my little ears. And I'm gonna lay this down right here. If you're new to shaped cards, also known as folded cards, make sure you go check out one of the videos that says how to make a folded card as opposed to this one, because I'm not really explaining too much about this one. Just a heads up. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this little guy right there. All the way around, he has black. And, oh, where'd his little mouth go? Here's his cute little mouth. And I'm going to pop that out. I wanted it to be a happy bat because, you know, sometimes you just need a happy bat. So I got to peel this up. Come on, there it is. It has adhesive on the back, which is helpful if you can get the adhesive back. Oh, there we go, fast. Okay, now I could do happy or I could do sad face. I'm going to do happy. Lay that on there. And I'm going to add epoxy dots for eyes because I thought that would be fun to add something different. Now, I am almost done, Ken, so you better be kind of ready because, in all honesty, I'm done. Stop! I think I'm done. I'm like, well, I could stamp on the inside, but it's in black. What?
You didn't stamp.
I didn't stamp, I know, but look how cute he is. Now, something really cool about these is we have these with magnets on the back, not in card form, but just in the first two layers. And we have them with magnets on the back decorating our fridge. It's really cute. But my friends, look how cute my card is. And you know what? Technically, it's done. Look how cool that is. I was awesome. Ken thinks I'm cheating, but I'm not. I'm not really cheating because look how cute it is. Okay.
Did you stamp the back?
No, because it's black. It's black. I got to cheat a little because it's black. Okay, what is my time? I know it's gonna be awesome because this was a fast card. Okay, kind of. But I think you should take off like 10 seconds because I was just sitting here going, not really, okay, fine. Okay, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Kenny still thinks I was cheating, but I don't think I'm not. Leave in the comments if you're watching this on YouTube if you think I cheated this time. If not, you know, it is what it is. Now, if you are watching this on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We release brand new products every single month on our website, 5 different times a month. So you're definitely gonna wanna check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're watching this on our website or on Facebook, thank you very much. If you're watching on Facebook, please click like and share if you wouldn't mind. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the... So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow, oh, oh. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow, oh, oh. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow, oh, oh. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl.